All right, let's dive into StockFlow. This is their quick start guide, and it's all built around one really simple but powerful idea. What if you could give creators everything they need without, locking them into a subscription? So the whole platform is built for speed. You basically have two killer tools to work with. If you know exactly what you're after, boom, hit that massive smart search bar. But if you're more in discovery mode, just exploring ideas, the dynamic filter engine is your best friend. It lets you browse and narrow things down till you find that hidden gem. So, you found it, the perfect file. Now, how do you actually buy it? This is where StockFlow does something really, really smart. Or simply, the wallet. Why not just let me use my credit card every time? And here's why that's a bad idea. A lot of the best stuff on StockFlow is super affordable. We're talking just a few bucks. If you used a credit card for every one of those tiny purchases, the processing fees alone could literally double the cost. The whole system is designed to stop that from happening. Instead of swiping your card for a $2 purchase, you just load your wallet with credits, maybe 10, 20, 50 bucks at a time. Then you can use that balance for super smooth one-click checkouts. And the best part? That money never ever expires. It's always there for you. So let's see how that wallet makes buying things just effortless. It's all about one-click purchasing and zero hassle. I mean, it really couldn't be simpler. You find an asset you love, click to preview it, and then just hit Buy Now. That's it. Since the money's already in your wallet, the purchase is instantaneous. What about you accidentally click Buy twice? It'll just stop you. It blocks the sale and gives you a little warning, which is just an awesome way to protect your wallet. What's next? The automated system in the background just kicks into gear and beams that file straight to your email inbox. You don't have to go hunting for some downloads page or wait in line. It is designed to be completely immediate. So what's going to be in that email? It's super straightforward. You get a clean receipt for your books and, most importantly, a secure download link to the original high-res file. That's the whole workflow. It's fast, it's fair, and it's totally focused on getting you from an idea to a finished product. So really, there's only one thing left to do, right? Let's create.
Okay, but what if you want to get started for free? Well, you can totally do that.
You can actually earn free wallet credits for doing simple things like signing up or leaving a review.
So that's the StockFlow way. No subs, instant downloads, and really affordable 4K assets.